Aussie dollar is at 96.97. The Dow's up 51, so the Dow's climbing up towards 11,000. Now, if Dow gets resistance at 11,000, that might be a spot that Euro begins to fall. Euro dollar's at 26.27. 27.28 on Euro. I think I would rather do the Euro short from the 30 area than the Aussie dollar. There's 28 on Euro. Still getting red candles up, so I don't want to jump too early. Here's 29. There's 32.33. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and shy it at 32. All right, so I got short. This is a textbook orange to white. We've got 20 pips back to the 1-minute boxes. We've got clear roads, absolute clear roads, all the way back to 11. So here's 32.33. For those if you haven't gotten an entry, you can get mine anyway if you feel like you missed it the first time around. And here it is again. Now I'm only going to put a tight stop. Now this is an uptrend. I'm only going to put a 10 pip stop. I'm going to let this 41 on the hour work. And if it breaks above that, it's clear roads. It could be off to the races. So we're talking 10 pip stop, and that's it. All right, Engels is in. Hans is in. And we have a white zone that looks like it could collapse at any time. We do have a little bit of a turning in, so that could prevent it from collapsing. We need that white there to kind of turn out. All right, but we're at 29 right now, plus 3. And I want to see if we can. We got clear roads. I want to see if we can't go ahead and hit this level here. Chris is in. Nadine is in. Hugh is in. Mark is in. All right. It's 27.28 plus 4. Hans got 33 entry. Good entry, Hans. All right, 27. Now we're moving. So we'll give it a few minutes. I mean, it took a few candles to get up here. You know, it took, 7, 8 candles to get up here, so it'll probably take a few candles to get back down. Now, there's another way to look at this. If this does not get higher than 34, and guess what? It may break this neckline. If it breaks this neckline, then we've got more to go. This neckline is currently at 95-ish. It's at 95. So we got in at 31. I mean, we'll see. If we break below the 1-minute box, I'll be happy. But the Dow is cracking into higher highs, I believe. It's up 53 right now. So that's something we got to watch. Dow going higher would have a negative effect on this trade. Could have a negative effect. Doesn't always, but it does correlate heavily. Here's 26 plus 6. And now our band shades have moved higher. So that's an issue. Something you don't want to see necessarily. We'd like to see them come lower because that's our resistance up there. So looking good so far. There's 24 plus 8. Chris took 6 on half. There's 21 plus 11 plus 10, I mean. No, plus 11 it is. For a moment. Here's 21 plus 11. I'm just looking at it right now. I'd like to get half off at the 1 minute box and then see if we can't go lower. Here's 20 plus 12. Angles took 10 on half. There's 17, 18 plus 14, 17 plus 15. There's 16. All right, I'm taking half off at 16 plus 16 pips. There's 13 plus 19. All right. I'm sitting here at 13, 14 plus 18. We're at the 1 minute boxes, but I already took my half off here. Here's 13 again plus 19, and I'll take it. I'm out at 13 plus 19 on that. All right, nice trade, guys. Yeah, there you go. That's textbook orange to white. I mean, this could get to the white zone, however, and that's, I didn't, and there's 9-10. So sure enough, should have hung on, because this thing is going lower. We've broken, we haven't broken the neckline, but that was a great O to white and probably near the top. So probably would have been a great trade to hang on to. Chris took plus 22 on his second half. Very nice. Hans took 18. All right, Hans, how's that? A little bit off your negative there. Very good. Engels took 10 on half and 19 on the second half. Hugh took 8 on half, 16 on the remainder. Go to the coffee shop, man. Get over there. Hans, you got your 18. Abdi's in Aussie dollar. Thank you, Silky. Joe, you got it. Nadison took 20 plus on that. Very good. Nadina, 9 on half and 19 on the other half, or 9 on one, 19 on another. Not sure, but good. All right. You got another half going? Nadison, that's my guess. And it's at 06, so there's almost, that's 26, 27 pips it's up right now at 0405, and it's moving now lower. So, hey, what can I say? I would have loved to be able to hold that second one longer and given a great example of what you can expect from an O to white. But this appears like it wants to be a perfect O to white. I mean, it's working out exactly as it should. But remember, every condition is different. I mean, the chart, what's helping this is it just bounced off a session high right here. So this could be a topping out motion, and probably wouldn't be a bad idea to short again if we get up here around the 1 minute box at 16.